need a great day in your life where you're starting your journey of professional life. And while expressing my all the best to you, I'd like to share a few thoughts with you. All the knowledge which you've acquired so far may remain only a knowledge. But only once you start practicing it, when you start applying in your own life, then only it will convert into wisdom, and which is going to help you a lot in your life always. Maybe that you are not, thinking, okay, I've got this job, I should have got that job. That is one thing. But you have to be always aware that whatever you do, you must always have an assessment about your own natural ruchi, yogita and vishwas. You must know whatever you are going to do, whether your heart is there, do you have a matching ability, and how much vishwas you have to succeed in that chosen interview. And it is indeed a great honor that we have respected Rajnath ji here to give you the convocation address. It is indeed a great moment for all of us. So it is my first, advice to you to follow your heart, as Sharat ji also mentioned the same thing to you. That is one. Second, I would like to mention that even in Bhagavad Gita it is mentioned that what is luck? Some people may say they have got great success in life, but luck also has been defined. Luck is nothing but a combination of opportunity and preparation. So while you are here, you always had opportunity of preparing yourself well. Now opportunities have come to your way. Now when the prepared mind is meeting an opportunity, and when you are putting your total dedicated efforts, then you will be getting a lot of success. And some people may say it is just a pure luck. But this is what you have to follow in life. While we feel proud of our achievement, what we have achieved in 9 years here in Noida campus, in the whole 17 years in our own Jaguria group, but our effort is always to raise the benchmark. Lot of great initiatives have already been taken, and a lot of other initiatives will always be taken in the due course of time to take the whole. So the clarity of vision is very, very important in your life, because the clarity of vision will determine that how far can you go in your life. However, your passion will determine the stride you will make, and the world view, because sometimes we may have our own frog view in the well. So the world view is also very, very important in life. So world view will determine the route you will take to get to your destination. So you will have to carve out your own niche, that where you want to go. And as Sharat ji has mentioned, that anything is possible. Like what you are dreaming, you can always go there. Because you know that there is a universal law of attraction. When you say, okay, I want to achieve this, then the whole universe also conspires to make sure that the same thing is being delivered to you. Always have a learning attitude, although you've got a lot of knowledge here. We are also planning a lot of alumni engagement activities. So even if you pass out, we shall be having a lot of alumni engagement programs to constantly engage with you. But one thing is cash. We normally talk about CASH, cash, but I want to introduce concept of KASH, cash. That is, K stands for knowledge, A for attitude, S for skills, and H for habits. So we must check our cash balance every day, how much knowledge we have achieved, attitude, skills, and habits, and writing our own reflective notes in the night before you go to the bed, that how I have achieved my targets in life. And target does not mean only the material success, even at the inner success. Because unless your mind is at peace and you are happy from inside, because otherwise success is a very relative term. When George Bernard Shaw was asked, how is your wife? Then he said, in comparison to whose wife? So in the same way, how much successful you are, you will always be questioned, okay, because this person has got this success, I am in this company, I am getting this salary and that salary. So the inner happiness has to come from within. And for that, as we already focused on life skills, you must continue to practice meditation, silence, reflection in due course of time. So cash is another formula I gave you. And another formula is spice. We need to spice up our life. So spice is nothing but spiritual, physical, intellectual, community, and emotional. So this, all the aspect of spice, you must try to balance within your own life. And in addition to all this, you must always find time to relax, to smile, to do some random act of kindness, and to also live your life happily. Because if you are not happy, then how can you spread happiness to anybody else? So your own duty towards your own happiness is also very, very important. And also feel grateful for whatever you got in life. Because if you remain grateful, then only the new and better things will come in your life. And finally, I want to just quote Mr. Subrato Bagchi, the chairman of Mindtree. He has written a beautiful book, The Professional, and where he defines what professional is. And he says, professional is somebody who is a proactive and who does not need any kind of supervision. And professional is somebody who decide completion of one's own work, not like as per the standard of one's boss, or I've been told to do like that, but you create your own benchmark. So the lot of focus goes on self. So before I conclude, I just want to share one small couplet, and that is about Eklavya. You all know about Eklavya, right? So because a person who did a lot of hard work, and when Guru Dronacharya did not give him the lesson. So the message is like this: हर संघर्षशील संकल्पशील साधक को एकलव्य बनना पड़ता है. हर संकल्पशील साधक को एकलव्य बनना पड़ता है. कृपा कोर की आस छोड़कर निज को ही जुटना पड़ता है, क्योंकि किसी और के मरने से कोई स्वर्ग नहीं पहुंचा है. स्वर्ग पहुंचने के लिए निज को ही मरना पड़ता है. So with these few words, I wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.